hello everyone and welcome to another video. Thank you for joining me. For those joining for the first time, my name is Diana and I like to create different videos on healthy lifestyle, all the like gym routine, fitness, all related to that. So if you would like to support me, make sure to subscribe right now and follow me. And yeah, so I know I've been putting a lot of videos out there about really just like my routine. Like I think I did abs recently, and lastly I just did a chest video. So I've been putting out all these workout videos out recently, and I thought that now would be a good time to kind of show you guys what I take to the gym, right? Because that's important. And also I think like for me, I have to have like all my things, my essentials, to be able to have a really good workout and not to have to be worrying about anything, right? So I kind of have this gym bag right here for now, and it's a decathlon bag. This is actually, for people that don't know, Spain's like biggest like fitness store. Overall, everybody really buys their gym clothes at Decathlon. I have never bought any there. I buy my gym clothes at H&M, back home, and like TJ Maxx, Ross, Marshalls. All those places are my to-go like for fitness clothes for sure. Right, we're gonna start before my neighbors start going fucking crazy, because they always fucking go crazy and I want to kill them. Like there's this kid who jumps so much. I just, you know, like I don't even think it's the kid's fault. It's just like the parents just let him have all his tantrums, and he just literally wakes me up in the middle of the night how much he screams and kicks the floor. But yeah, enough complaining about that. We're gonna get to the video right now and we're gonna start. All right, so first off, obviously everybody needs a water bottle, especially with the pandemic. I feel like those masks make me so much thirsty. And like before, I used to try not to drink any water at the gym because I didn't want to have to take out my mask, but I can't. I just can't do it anymore. Like I need to drink water, so sometimes I just like move aside and drink a little bit of water. It's from like Contigo, which is like, I think you can find this at Walmart. It's like, it does keep things cold for a bit, for like a few hours. It's marble, cute. I want this in like a Christmas raffle thing, thanks to Molly Joe. So I got this one. I really like it. So stay hydrated, especially if you're going to the gym. If you can take even a bigger one, that would be even better. But everybody I know that goes to the gym goes to the gym with these. Or you can also take your protein powder inside a cup already and with this, and then you can just put the water in there and make sure the water is cold and just shake it and drink it right after the gym. Next thing, I take a protein powder with like a protein bar with me. I think it's super important. I just started doing this recently. I didn't include this in my last like gym essentials type of thing for workouts. But it's nice because sometimes I'm gonna run after I work out, and I need to go like see a friend right away who wants to have dinner, or I have to go, I don't know, I have to run errands. So I take a protein bar, so right after my workout doesn't go, you know, to waste, right? Because it's really important to have some type of protein afterwards. I want to have something that I can just eat really fast before I keep going about my day, and I come back home and I get my protein, because it's super important, right? Because if you're weightlifting, you're breaking down your muscles, and obviously you need something to like recover, and you're probably gonna get hungry after gym. I get super fucking hungry after gym. I'm fucking telling y'all, I get so fucking hungry, and like I need to eat right away too. Like it's hard because I'm like, do I shower or do I eat right away? And most of the time I stay eating instead of showering first, and you're supposed to shower right away too, to like take off all the nastiness off you. But a bitch is hungry, so I gotta eat. Important, especially because people be smelling so bad at the gym. Like I'm dead ass. Deodorant, I put it on before I go to the gym though, and I like to take it with me just in case if I feel like I really smell after my workout, I reapply it. It's this one, Maximum Protection. It's Rexona. I don't think you can find this one in the US. I have never seen this before, but deodorants here are so bad. Like they're all the rolling ones, and they're like super cheap, like they're €2, because they're so like they don't work. And like the only really good deodorants that you can get are really these, and these are kind of like €5. Another hygiene thing, especially with COVID, is masks, right? And I have a plastic bag where I put my mask. I wear the like FFP2 masks, which are basically the K95 ones from the United States. Here they're the FFP2, and those are really good because even though they're a little pricey, they offer you more protection, right? It's not like the blue surgical ones that don't offer you that much protection, right? And for me, I'd rather pay more to be safe with COVID, so I always wear those, especially now when people are stopped wearing their masks. I make sure to walk around with those. But when I do use those at the gym, there's not a lot of air circulation and it gets super hot. And if I'm being honest, I'm a sweaty ass bitch, okay? So I need to take another mask to switch afterwards. Also, people, please make sure that you are ripping these off because they're so bad for them, like for animals, especially that have to go through the garbage. You want to be safe with your stuff. Let me tell you, like, there's some nice gyms where you don't have to worry if you leave your stuff, but there's some other gyms like back at UW where people would get their stuff stolen. So just be cautious. I take these all the time to the gym, and I've ever leave my stuff out. Thankfully nothing has ever gone stolen, but I wouldn't be surprised if it happens, right? Before I forget, this is like the last hygiene thing, and I'm really glad that my gym right now actually made this a requirement. So at first I wouldn't have thought about it, but it's been super helpful. It's having a gym towel. I think like people don't really think about it when they go to the gym, and I didn't really think that it was necessary until I worked out at home, like when I was sweating a lot and I had to share my mat with my sister. I was like, it was just better to use a towel. I even use this as a barbell to kind of put around my neck before I go and I squat in. I put these in like the seats of the machines to avoid putting contact in there, especially because they've been so overused and so many people touch them. It's pretty nasty if you think about it. And it's like, when I was sweating, like I drip sweat. I have no fucking shame to say it, right? And like that's why it's been also amazing, is because I can use it for my sweat. If I'm ever like dying after my workout, I can just like pat myself down, and there's literally nothing wrong with you sweating, okay? Literally nothing wrong, right? I promise y'all, we are almost done. So these are my gym essentials for leg day, okay? So I had a resistant band that was like the rubber ones, like the plastic rubber ones. It was not the best because it would like slip and I would hurt myself, and then I ended up losing it. I lost it inside the gym, so then I ended up going to Decathlon, and my roommate actually works there, so he was able to order me one because these are always like out of stock. Trust me ladies, y'all glutes are gonna burn with resistant bands. Like, let me tell y'all, mine hurt so bad. Like, you know when you get a good cramp in your glute, ladies, that's when you know that you are fucking working out really good, and that's what you want. You want to have that good like cramp in your butt cheek. So for my last like gym equipment thing, it's this ankle I don't even know how to ankle brace. No, I don't even know. It's this thing right here. So I use this at the gym a lot for my kick, like my donkey kicks and my side kicks as well. So I decided to invest in these. It was super cheap. I got it on Amazon. It comes in a pack of 2 most of the time, so I do have another one. This is so important. Hair tie is really important because you never know what's gonna happen to yours. One time mine's broke while I was working out and I didn't have a spare one, and I'll try so hard to work with my hair down, but it's kind of long, and I just had to leave early because it just bothers me so much. I don't know how girls can do it with their hair down. Props to y'all. I've seen a lot of girls who can do it, but I'm the type of like girl that just cannot work. Like, I cannot work out with my hair down. And even when I'm like doing like very like productive, I'm having like a super productive day, I cannot have my hair down. I don't know what it is, but it just feels like there's so much weight on my head and I get more sweaty. So having an extra hair tie in your bag would be life-changing. So these are the last 2 things, promise y'all, is I'd like to carry my wireless charger. So I charge this throughout the week, and then I'm able to use it whenever I'm going to the gym. I realize like crap, I only have like 40% in my AirPods, which is another electronic essential. So then I just like plug it in, and it's amazing. This is really nice to have for trips too. Like this has been life-changing and so good to have. It has saved my life, so this for sure. And obviously my AirPods, these are super important. I know they're expensive for sure, but I was lucky to get them with a purchase that I made through Apple. Alright everyone, that is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and for supporting me. I really appreciate each one of you all. I hope that this video helps you out to have a better gym bag and to carry it with you, feel better when you go into the gym, have less worries about not having everything you need or feeling more secure, whatever it might be. Definitely feel like my gym bag changes over time, so I would definitely post an updated one by the end of the year maybe. Invest on your own things, invest on yourself, start your fitness journey. Let me know how it's going. I hope that all of you guys are having an amazing summer. It has begun. It's hot as shit and I don't like it, but here we are in a freaking dried ass city. But it's gonna be, you know, it's an amazing few more weeks that I have in Madrid, and I'm super excited to spend these last 2 weeks here. But yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. Hope you guys are all doing amazing, you're all doing good, and make sure to subscribe to keep up with all my videos. Take care, love you guys, bye.